The cleanup effort continues in the town of Maple Creek following the devastating flood which hit the area on June 18th. Residents around the province have been wanting to lend a helping hand, prompting the town to organize a disaster relief fund. Duncan Whittick is the manager of community development in the town. He expands on the needs of residents.
Everything helps. There's a lot of people who suffered a great deal of damage and are in desperate need of support. So we're just trying to help to get that going and coordinate that.
Donations will be accepted at the town office in person or by mail. Other efforts to raise funds include a barbecue and concert this Friday, and authentic Maple Creek sandbags are also up for sale with funds going to flood victims. Plans are being developed to distribute money through these efforts.
We're in the process of setting up an independent board made up of representatives from local service agencies. They're in touch with the community, so they know the needs of the community, and they'll be responsible for dispersing those funds.
The Salvation Army is also working hard to help out those affected by the Maple Creek flood. They're currently in the process of collecting money to buy cleanup kits, which will be distributed to residents in the town. Each kit costs $50 and contains the products needed to protect and restore damaged property. Captain Michael Ramsey with the Salvation Army provides more information about this initiative.
As much as possible, we're simply requesting a specified monetary donation as well, because that way they can purchase as much of the supplies they need for the kits right from Maple Creek and stimulate the Maple Creek economy.
Along with monetary donations, the Salvation Army will also accept any cleaning supplies, and they are also looking for items such as bug spray. These donations will be collected province-wide.
You can bring things to your local Salvation Army in whatever community you happen to be in. You can bring it to the nearest Salvation Army. Much better than, say, trying to drive it down to Maple Creek where they're trying to facilitate everything.
In Swift Current, donations can be dropped off at the Salvation Army Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The first round of Provincial Disaster Assistance Program advance payments were handed out in Maple Creek on Friday. Over 150 checks, valued at $3,000, were hand-delivered to the town's mayor by the Provincial Minister of Public Safety. More funding is expected to roll out in the coming weeks. For Southwest TV News, I'm Kara Rapke.